Anti-lock braking systems (ABS) are designed to help provide better control of a vehicle during adverse weather conditions and avoid the dangers of panic braking. Studies have found that vehicles equipped with ABS systems are 35% less likely to be a part of a collision or accident than a vehicle without anti-lock brakes. The anti-lock braking system uses wheel sensors and other essential components sensing skid conditions that activate the ABS. Without an ABS system, the instinct would be to go into panic braking mode, which in turn will make drivers attempt to pump the brakes aggressively. Anti-lock brakes do this automatically, which is likely to ensure the driver's safety at the time of a collision. The system is also designed to prevent the danger of wheels locking by encouraging traction, which will prevent a vehicle from skidding. When wheels lock, the vehicle is likely to slide dangerously across the road surface, especially if the surface is wet, without the driver being able to control the situation. The main benefit of an anti-lock brake system, ABS, includes stopping on icy roads, as mentioned above, and ABS prevents lockups and skidding even in slippery conditions. Anti-lock brakes have been proven to save lives in some situations by helping drivers keep control of their vehicles. Using ABS is very different from using regular brakes. If you're braking normally for stop signs, red lights, or vehicles slowing ahead of you, the ABS system will not activate. Early braking is always best in any situation, but if you need to brake quickly and suddenly, ABS will activate. Non-ABS braking. In vehicles without anti-lock brake systems, drivers who experience slippery conditions will need to firmly apply brakes to avoid an accident on slick roads. Over the past 10 years, most car manufacturers have made ABS standard in their vehicles. It is an essential requirement imposed by the federal government in 2011, and one that we at On-Road Driving School also recommend. If you don't have ABS fitted to your car, especially this season during the colder months on the road, make sure you brake hard and firm at first, but slowly release the brakes as you slow down. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.